Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have a sheet with headers. Now start by selecting the entire data range, including the header row, and enable Data right arrow Create a filter. Once done, you'll see funnel icons on each header. Those are your control points. Click a header arrow to choose specific values, apply text contains, or select condition rules like greater than. This immediate step both narrows visible rows and preserves the underlying data, so you can test filters without deleting anything. Next, build more precise filters by choosing Filter by Condition. Pick number, date, or text rules to express the logic you need. For situations not covered, switch to Filter by Custom Formula and enter expressions such as equals A2 100 or equals rejects match, B2, inv \D+. Make sure formulas use the top left row reference properly. Also, apply filters across multiple columns to intersect criteria. Each active filter narrows results further, which is ideal for Finally, tidy and preserve your filtered work by sorting columns A to Z or Z to A to expose trends. To share or reuse configurations without disrupting others, create a filter view via Data right arrow Filter Views, right arrow Create New Filter View. Name and save it. If a filter returns no rows, troubleshoot by checking for hidden rows, merged cells breaking ranges, or exact match rules that exclude expected entries. Adjust the condition or widen the criteria, then reapply to confirm results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.